modern period, a new topic after a very long time, after a very long break of about 2 to 3 months. Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh and today we are going to learn about History Class 8, Chapter 1, Modern Period. So let's see the objectives. At the end of this lesson, learners will be able to tell about beginning of modern age, modernized sources, difference between sources of ancient, medieval and modern period, Renaissance, new discoveries, colonialism, imperialism, the American Revolution. These topics seem to be a little bit difficult, a little bit tough, but when we will start learning these topics, these will be more easier and more easier. So let's start with the very first topic, beginning of modern age. It is a known fact that history is divided into 3 periods, namely ancient history, medieval history and modern history. These are respectively through their years, ancient first, medieval second and modern third. The modern period started in the 18th century. It certainly brought a lot of changing trends in the society. Such changes were noticed in Europe first and made their impact on India later. These changes made their impact on Europe first. They were noticed in Europe first and then made their impact on India. Then made their impact on India. Now, modernized sources. You can see on the screen, on the slide, one newspaper cutting, one fort and 2 books. So what are these books? Let's see. The modern age is learned mostly from literary and documented evidences. What are these books? What is this newspaper cutting? These are documented evidences. The main sources of the modern history are books like My Experiments with Truth. You can see on the upper right corner, My Experiments with Truth, written by Mahatma Gandhi, his autobiography, and Toward Freedom, the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chachaji. Newspapers like Anand Bazar Patrika and Amrita Bazar Patrika. You can see the newspaper cutting of the Amrita Bazar Patrika on India Independence Bill, when the India was divided into 2 new free dominions. Differences between sources of ancient, medieval and modern period. We have already studied in the ancient period. The sources are coins, archaeological evidences, monuments, literary sources which were written in Pali, Prakrit and Sanskrit language, and other foreign accounts. Temples, mosques, forts, palaces, literary accounts, buildings, monuments and things written by Al-Biruni and Ibn Battuta were some sources of the medieval period. Literary and documented evidences, books like My Experiments with Truth, which we have studied in the previous slide, and Toward Freedom, newspapers like Anand Bazar Patrika and Amrita Bazar Patrika were some sources of modern period. You can see below in the first column some coins and some literary work of the ancient period. In the medieval period, you can see the photos of Al-Biruni and Ibn Battuta. And in the third column, you can see 2 books written by Mahatma Gandhi and 2 books written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Renaissance. What is Renaissance? This Renaissance is also known as change. People were switching from their traditional work, agriculture, fishing, etc., to new scientific inventions, discoveries, and contribution towards growth of music, painting, sculpture, drama, and literary contributions as well. Let me tell you one thing. In the ancient and medieval periods, people were trying to settle their life. They were trying to bring their life in a flow When their life was in flow, they were getting bored. So, for the finishing of the boring atmosphere, they moved to new scientific inventions, discoveries, and contributions towards growth of music, painting, sculpture, drama, and literary contributions. Discovery of voyages. Let's see this story that in 1453, the Turks took control over the land routes connecting Europe to the east. Hence, the Europeans looked for an alternate sea route. This progress during Renaissance led to the discovery of sea voyages. Land route was closed, they moved through water route, an alternative sea route. Other discoveries during this period, which led to the invention of guns, gunpowder, astrolabe, mariner's compass, the steam engine, the power loom, and the cotton grain. You can see all the images on the left hand side of the slide. Imperialism. A tough word. Imperialism. A powerful country increasing its influence over other countries through business and culture. You can see on the left hand side the images. Colonialism. Another tough word, colonialism. The practice by which a powerful country controls other less powerful countries. India during modern age. Till now we were talking about the world. Now we will talk about our own India. So the later Mughals that are after Aurangzeb were very weak and were unable to maintain the unity and integrity of the Mughal Empire, which resulted in political disturbance in India. You can see on the image 10th Mughal Emperor Mr. Farrukhsiyar being arrested by the British government. Who? British government. India during modern age part 2. As a result of the political disturbance in India, many provisional kingdoms like Awadh, Bengal and Hyderabad declared themselves independent. You can see the images of Awadh, Bengal and Hyderabad. In the Hyderabad image, you can also see the Charminar. India during modern age. The Marathas became popular, however, they lost their power under the Peshwas in the Third Battle of Panipat in 1761. You can see the images of the Maratha wars. Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Remember the names. Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali invaded India and gave the final blow to the Mughal kingdom. You can see the images of Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali. The British and French were rivals in trade after Carnatic Wars. The battles of Plassey and Buxar made the British supreme in Bengal. You can see the battle, the forceful and the fearful war. You can see on the left hand side of the slide. Now, the American Revolution. In 1776, the Americans organized a movement where the people asserted the right to rule themselves. Political revolutions also took place in England and France as well. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends and family. Comment down below your feedback and suggestions. I will try to fulfill them. Thank you. Have a nice day.